Ladies and gentlemen, children, people of God, coming to this town of Marvin today to accept my speech that I humbly have written to accept this award as Truck Salesperson of the Year. I'm so thankful for all I have accomplished for you this year. I have done so much for you because I love you. I do it for you because we need it done. We need to get those machines they call trucks. We call them power. We call them recreation. We call them resources. We call them adventure. We call them trips to grandma's house. We call them going to the store and to the market and to the beach and going to the farm. And I call them job creations. We have a shop full of workers, grateful for the opportunity of working in the greatest town of Marvin today. We have a crew of honest, God fearing people. They show up on time. They are energized. They are full of energy. They're full of love and passion for this town, for the work they do for this community. Because they love that truck they put their life into, their blood, their sweat, their tears. We do it all for you. I do it all for you. This is an amazing opportunity. And I dedicate this prize here to Junior. Junior, you hold that for Dad. Thank you, Junior. I just want to thank y'all for showing up here today and listening to my humble speech. And never forget, I built this not just for me, I built it for you, with you in mind, for you to admire, for you to feel pride, for you to look at and have that sense of happiness. You all belong to the town of Marvin. And all of this that I have built belong to who? Belong to not just me, but belong to you.